Hi guys, welcome to my daily DAV. I've been working this week, as discussed, with Wade from Slipstream Advantage, going through some process flow charts for different use cases that he's working on for transportation customers. We'll continue to be doing that, and with less than 8 hours to go until the token sale, we're all very excited. See you soon. Bye.
Hey everybody, Joe Lapardo here. Today is the token sale day. The past few days have been very busy. Mix of pretty much everything from website adjustments to a ton of different emails for segmenting, targeting, all of those things. Everything is scheduled and ready to go out. Also put together our contribution video to make sure that everyone goes ahead and submits their Ethereum properly as they contribute and get DAV tokens. So it's just been a total whirlwind, all amazing things, but happy token sale day and have a great one, everybody. Thanks, bye.
Hi everyone, so today was the launch of the token sale. It was a long time coming, really glad this day is here. So I spent most of today working with members of the community in the Telegram channel, a lot of them with private messages, helping them through the process and answering some questions. Also followed up on some emails for the DAO Alliance. Lots more to report later on this week. I will see you guys tomorrow.
Hey there, Davers, Alec here. I just took a 5-minute break. Today is our token sale event, yes. So I've just been helping out some community members with their Ether contribution, taking up some questions. Super hectic, but very interesting. Just a quick update. One of the biggest automotive companies in the world just reached out to us and wanted to explore also potential synergies. I'm going to work on our offering and see how can we actually provide them an interesting solution. Other than that, everything is going amazing. Going back to my desk to continue working. Have a great rest of the day. Bye.
Hi guys, today I'll continue work about our pages for token sale. I'll make a few variants of pages in mobile devices. After then I'll make a few banners for our homepage. Have a nice day and see you tomorrow.